lifted the cover. SIM card is right here. Easy to get to on this one. So we just changed out the SIM card on the MCI4 and changed out the main antenna cable that was bad back there at the hood. It looked like the hood was hitting it, and bam, we're green instantly. So definitely that bad GPS cable is causing some issues. Now we're gonna go in here and update the firmware, and we're gonna basically check and make sure that we are tracking this modem, which I don't see. Yeah, that's it right there. Oh, first things first. You see where my pen is touching and you see where the arrow is? We need to calibrate this screen. Alright, so let's just calibrate real quick. Bam! Oh, that's much better. Much better. Configure. Status disconnected. It's connecting to IP. So we'll give it a few minutes on that. While we're waiting for the modem to kick in, we can basically go in here and update the firmware. True. And application mode, firmware loading. Device, connect. Serial port, COM1. This is an MCI4, so yes. Open. Insert flash drive. Device can't perform faster, blah blah blah. Okay. We're gonna do 2 files. Soft break, yes. Next. That's the old firmware, 4.7, 2015. Next. It's basically just need to come in here. Actually, hold on. Serial port settings, primary receiver. Alright, we'll use that. Firmware RAM image. We have to go to... I have to find our removable disk. Oh, come on. And that's it right there. RAM image. Open. Now this one wants flash image. There's the main. Open. They're both in there. Next. And it's capturing device. Yep, all done with that excavator. 349F. New main GPS cable. So it's connecting, and it's connecting a lot faster. Upgraded the firmware. Tried to get the modem up and running, but AT&T SIM card was not activated. So we'll move on and we'll fix that issue once we get that card in.